1958, Ross Bagdasarian had an idea for a novelty Christmas record in which different Christmas songs would be sung in silly, high-pitched, cartoonish voices. As these voices were given more character and elaborated on, the world was introduced to Alvin and the Chipmunks that Christmas, and coincidentally also the world's first virtual band. Nearly 40 years later, in 1998, musician Damon Albarn and artist Jamie Hewlett banded together to create their own virtual band to comment on the lack of substance in the music industry. This band would later go on to be known as the Gorillaz. Virtual bands, for those who are unfamiliar, is a term created to describe bands in which they aren't known by their actual music contributors who make the music behind the scenes, but instead by the virtual animated characters that portray the band through different media such as music videos or album covers. One of the things that I personally love about the Gorillaz is this combination of music and auditory entertainment and visual entertainment. Their visual world and animated world in which their four characters live is amazingly fleshed out and incredibly full of life. Their four characters beneath me, from left to right, are Russell, the drummer, 2D, the singer, Noodles, the guitarist, and then Murdoch, the bassist. These four characters are explored through their different backstories and personality, all through different visual media interpretations of the Gorillaz. And they really give each song a different layer of depth. Because with each song, there's a human element in which the actual music contributors have experience in which they're drawing upon to make the song, and then the visual hyperbole element in which these four different animated characters are also drawing upon different experiences in their own lives in their animated universe in which they use to write the songs. One of the other amazing things about the fact that the Gorillaz are a virtual band is their lack of genre definition. The Gorillaz songs, if you listen to them, truly defy genre as they blend music from electronic to pop to hip hop to rock. They truly push the bounds of what music genre is and what they can be defined by. And one of the reasons they can do this is due to the fact that they are a virtual band. Not only do they have a kind of human identity to them, but they also have a whole network of music contributors who are constantly working with Albarn to create new sounds and new experiences for their listeners and fans to enjoy. In summary, really the Gorillaz are a whole unique band all on their own. While they have music that truly defines genre and really pushes the bounds of what music collaboration is, they also have this visual element of storytelling in which these fabricated characters, which the music lives through, gives the whole music another layer of life and identity that really makes each song and album an experience to go in and to listen to and to explore. Thank you.